100K for real estate. I'm putting it back into the city. It's not going in my pockets. I want 20K in my pockets for me.
So what is your next plan? Are you stay here or going back?
I'm taking my family from Arcade Gardens 605-A. I'm taking them and I'm taking them to Dubai.
Where is your family now?
It's private. I'm Muslim and it's against my religion to tell y'all my business. Have a nice day.
Khadija, where have you been last 3 months and have you reached ever?
Excuse me. I just said it's against my religion to tell you my business, okay? I'm fine. Thank you.
बस मैं इस मौके पर जो है वो अपने मीडिया के तमाम दोस्तों को यही बताना चाहता हूँ कि हमने जो है वो कल रात इनको अपने यहाँ हेड ऑफिस लेकर आए और मसला मामला सिर्फ इतना था कि इंसानी बुनियादों के ऊपर